Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will see how to create waterfall chart in Excel. We have data of 2 years 2023 and 2024. Now, we need to create a bridge to identify the variance by each expenses. Before creating a chart, first we will make table data for waterfall chart. First link 2023 value, then copy paste the expenses list from data and link the variance value column. And at last link 2024 value. Now create chart. Select data and go to Insert tab. Under Charts, click on Waterfall Charts. Now, double-click on Series and select Set as Total. Create a chart title. I am giving it as Cost Bridge Year on Year. Now, select the color combination as dynamic. Like for increase will be red, and for decrease will be green. For this dynamic colors, go to Page Layout tab and click on Customize Colors. For accent 1, select red and accent to select green. Colors are not yet refreshed, so right-click on Chart and select Reset to match style. Let's change the data value to check colors are changing dynamically or not. That's it. It's changing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.